I was trying to scrap some data from google.com, but I was getting following error, type error. So let me run it and see the error. See this, we are getting this following error. So the solution of this, there are two ways to solve this. The first method is to install Selenium older version. Like let's see, if I run the command replaced, it will show me the Selenium version. Currently, I am using 4.18. So let's uninstall this first. And now I will install Selenium 4.5.0. Now let's run the command replace to see the Selenium version. You can see now we have 4.5.0. So now let's run it again. Now you can see that it is working fine. But we have a warning that depreciate warning. Executable path has been depreciated, and please pass a service object. So in the later version of the Selenium, we will get this error. So let's again install the Selenium latest version and see the error. So first of all, I will uninstall this one. And now I will install it again, so it will automatically install the latest version of Selenium. Now, if I run it again, it will again throw me the same error because we have Selenium version 4.18. So now you can see that it is again throwing the error. Now the second solution is to pass a service object. So how can we do that? First of all, we will import from selenium.webdriver.from.service import service object, and then I will pass this executable path in a service object. I'm using Chrome Driver Manager, so I'm passing the Chrome Driver Manager.install in this. But in your case, maybe you are using the executable path, so you have to pass an executable path in this service object. So in my case, I'm using Chrome Driver Manager, which is very easy. I have no longer need to install a separate Chrome exe file to run my file. So the Chrome Driver Manager make it very easy. So now, instead of passing this parameter here, I will pass it in a service object and remove this line. Comment out this line, and now I will pass it in a service object and then put this service object here within Chrome and then pass our option. And now when I run the script, it will work smoothly because now we are using a service object. This was everything for this video. I hope you like this. Do not forget to share and subscribe.